Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's HALLOWEEK tutorial, we're going to turn ourselves into a Valfre girl. Valfre is a brand that I really enjoy, and their chicks that they appear on the clothes are super cool looking. I just showed you a little bit of some of the more recent ones. And we're going to start off by going in the Morphe 3502 palette in the shade Chestnut and putting that all over my lid. As you can see, I already had some makeup already on. And I'm just going to smudge this literally everywhere. And still with the same shade, I'm just going to go in with a bigger, fluffier brush and bring that down onto the tops of my cheekbones, kind of making it look like blush a little bit, and just going back and forth between the two brushes to blend it out. Now I'm just going to go with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Banana Setting Powder in the shade Medium, just to blend the outer edges out a little bit more. Now I'm just taking a black pencil eyeliner and lining the upper and lower waterline. You could use any one you want. I'm probably using the Sephora collection or the Urban Decay one. And then I'm just going to go in with Whiz from that Morphe palette and just smoke out the bottom lash line. Now I'm going with the Ciate London Starstruck eyeliner, and I'm using the eyeliner side, and I'm creating a big, gigantic wing with it. And then later on, I'll be going back to use this eyeliner on the stamp side to make the stars as my freckles. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I obviously have to apply some falsies here. You could just use whatever pair of falsies you like best. next, I'm just going to use my lash curler to mush my lashes and the fake lashes together and go in one more time with another coat of mascara to make sure everything blends seamlessly. And then I'm just going to go back in with my eyeliner to hide the lash band. So like I said, now I'm going back in with that eyeliner. It's dual-ended and the other side is a star stamp, which is perfect because all the Valfre girls have little stars as freckles all over their face. And yeah, I really loved how simple this was. It literally makes it so easy with the stamp.